Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Azure subscription, a resource group, and network basics. Once done, open the Azure portal and choose Create a Resource, then Virtual Machine. You must pick an image, size, and authentication method now. Make sure to use a supported OS image and appropriate VM SKU for your workload. Also configure the region and availability options. These choices affect latency and cost. Finally, upload or paste your SSH public key or set a strong admin password before proceeding. Next, you configure the VM details. Choose the image and VM size based on CPU, memory, and disk IOPS needs. Once selected, add managed disks and choose encryption or performance tiers. Make sure ephemeral or premium SSD choices match your I/O. Then configure networking. Attach to VNet/subnet, set a public IP if needed, and open only required inbound ports. You should tag resources for cost tracking. Review the pricing estimate, and click Review Plus Create to validate settings and deploy the VM. After deployment, connect using SSH or RDP and complete OS-level configuration like updates and user accounts. Once connected, install the Azure VM agent or extensions you need, enable Azure Monitor, and set a backup policy to protect data. Make sure diagnostics and logging are turned on. If something goes wrong, first verify network security group rules and the VM's public IP or NIC configuration. If it still fails, enable boot diagnostics and review the serial console log to diagnose boot or agent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.